1 meso. عندنا
sustainable tomorrow, energy saving, eco-friendly car available with us.
This is supply air, the air which is going inside. It's 43 temperature. So what happens, this is filters. Then we have here the blown section. And then we have this. We have here. So this is blower, it's sucking the air from outside and then it's throwing here. Here we have heat exchanger, this one. Okay.
This heat exchanger is for what?
This is inside, there is a cold water.
Cold water.
Yeah, from where it's coming. So this cold water through cooling tower, it's coming inside the heat exchanger. Okay, and the result is, see, it's coming now 15, it will go down. This is now 15.9, but it will go slowly down because we just turn it on now. So it will go to 15, maybe 14.5. So this is without compressor, without Freon, 25 ton, 10,000 CFM. And here I can open for you. This is like a cooling tower. Here we are, see.
This is working only with that small motor, that side?
Yes.
Only, eh?
There is a pump and there is a fan and these are the fans. So here we are here. So here we are cooling the water. See, the water is cold through fans. And the temperature of this water is here showing.
This is
See
water,
here, this is the water temperature.
Okay.
So the water temperature is 21 degree. Okay. The water temperature is 21 degree. So this 21 degree water is circulating inside the coil. Okay. And when the hot air 43 degree goes in, there is a heat exchange, water and air. So after coil, we have another section. On the back side of this, there is a cooling pads. I will show you inside. Okay. So there is a cooling pads, and then we can make it more cooler. So the bottom result is here, 15, 14, 16 centigrade temperature on the mouth of the unit, and 100% fresh air.
Yes, we sense fresh air.
Yeah. Good. 0.5 kilowatt. 25 ton, 10,000 CFM, consumes only 5.5 kilowatt energy.
Shakil bhai, what is the capacity of this unit now?
This unit is 25 ton, 10,000 CFM.
25.
Yeah. Okay, let me show you the mechanism, how it's working. Like a mist eliminator. But behind there is a cooling pads. And there is a water. And there is a small pump. So this pads is only for mist eliminator. Instead of using this plastic one, we are using this one to reduce the cost.
I understand.
Yeah. And this one, we are making extra experiment because sometimes the drops of the air is coming out. So we are just making experiment. We don't want that any drop should come outside. So that's why we are just making this experiment. This one here you see now, this is the cooling pad. This is complete fiberglass inside. So there is no problem for rust or leakage. Forget about this, no problem. Yeah, this is fiberglass. And the whole structure is aluminum, like AHU body panels.
What's this?
This is copper and aluminum fins.
So
I will show you on the other place.
Okay.
You can check. So no problem for the heat gain or something, no problem. Okay. The fans, all kind of fans, small, big, high static, centrifugal fans we are manufacturing and supplying. This is 20,000 CFM for kitchens, for big kitchen area. They can use to suck in hospitals and basements, they can use this. These are the package ACs. We are manufacturing also package ACs with compressor. Okay. And manufactured by Wind Mason. So we are manufacturing package ACs, IDEX system, desert coolers, and AHUs, FCUs, cooling towers. These are for smaller unit, but for the bigger unit also we have 8 lines, and the thickness of the wall thickness of the copper is very high because dirty water is circulating inside, so we make it wall thickness high.
Okay.
Around 1 milli.
Oh.
That's why it's very expensive part. It's this is the heart of the machine.
Yes.
Yeah. Panel boards, all of machines, cutting, bending, punching, everything we are doing here. This is our
Okay.
yeah. Unit. This one will be ecology unit, and this is what we are going to do a new experiment. With the heat of sun, we will make AC. Not like solar, heat of the sun. So there will be a glass tubes. It will hot the water up to 30 degree and 80 degree, and this 80 degree water will circulate. From one side it will give heat, another side it will give you the cooling, like absorption or like with ammonia and with bromide, lithium bromide. So this will be a small. This is we are making experiment. This is Wali Khan office. Technical. Have a seat, please. Sit down. Or you can sit like this. Yeah, 3D printers. So if we have any small parts, we do it here first, and then we will go for the modeling. Yes. Laser cutting machine. So through this we make the holes like this. See? Yeah. Laser cutting machine.
This laser.
So price will you